Hello guys, sorry for the racket. The water pump is running. We're going to be running this Hoover Windtunnel 3 Pet Pro. See how good does it sound. What do you think, guys? You think it's okay? I think it sort of has a bearing sound to it. Wow, it actually made it alive. And if you guys are wondering, yes, the brush roller does work. Let me just turn it on. Wow, how this thing survived is unreal to me. Like, this thing is a decent vacuum, and it's going to turn out decent. Despite it being used without a pre-motor filter, it's going to turn out decent. Yes, I want to show you guys everything. Let me just go back to the table. Okay, so this is the dust cup for it. Look inside of the dust cup. Look at this cone. Look at this cone. Look at it. It's filthy. This is the filter that was sitting underneath the cord rewind base. That's the base. And this is the exhaust filter. Where is the HEPA media? And how does this thing actually survive? Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Look at the coloration that has. Look at the dust inside of it. The filth. Ugh. But magically surprised. Yes, the filter, the dust cup filter is MIA or missing in action. It was used at some point without a dust cup filter in it, and the thing, yes, is cruddy, it's nasty, but it sounds good. Like, this is the inlet for the dust cup. It's super crusty, so I'm taking it apart and we're going to be, cleaning it out and making a filter for it. Luckily I have filter material for it. At least we're going to be able to use it with a dust cup filter. I don't know how good it's going to do that, but I'm going to try to source a good filter for it.